at Vast Equipment and Truck Sales. Today we're taking a look at this little Bobcat E42. We have used it a little bit. We tried it out, played with it here, so it's got a little dirty doing that. But machine's in perfect working order. We ran it through the shop, service, inspected. Everything on the machine is as it should be, and good working order. Hydraulics are strong. It's got a hydraulic thumb on it as well. Back toe blade. Tracks are great on it. Actually, we put brand new tracks on this machine. Super nice little machine, and we have financing and shipping available. We have financing here within our facility. You can apply for financing on our website. All you do is go to vastets.com, click on financing, click on apply, and you can fill that out right online. We have shipping all over the U.S. as well as all other countries. If you need a shipping or delivery quote, just let us know. We'll be glad to get that for you. Anything you need here at Vast Equipment and Truck Sales, equipment-wise, truck-wise, we can help you with that. We have several machines in stock right now, even though it's very hard to get equipment. New and used at the time. We have a lot of trucks, and I think as well we do have rentals here at Vast Equipment and Truck Sales. Vast Equipment Rentals. We have rental sales and service here. You can reach us at 336-789-1138. You can see this machine in person at our facility located at 115 Wisconsin Lane in Mount Airy, North Carolina. We look forward to serving you here at Vast Equipment and Truck Sales. Thanks and God bless.